Hi my dear children, good morning all. Welcome back to the new class. Okay, our exam finished. How was your exam? Maths exam? Easy or tough? Okay, I think easy. I hope you all are attend well. Okay children, now we are going to start our first chapter, last section. Okay, among the 4-digit number, we are studying the how to make 4-digit number name, then places, then how to write the ascending order, descending order, everything we are discussing. Okay, now we are going to start our last section of the first chapter. Okay, then what's the topic of now? Then what comes just before, after and between? To find out the number, which numbers just comes after or between or before. Then what is before? You write just, then which numbers comes just before the given number. Just before the given number. That is before you are writing. After you are writing the next number. Then I will write the between. Then you find out the then given number between one number. That is between, center, middle of the one. Middle number. Okay. Then we have first one is the first question, 4267. So after. Then what is? This is a 4-digit number. Then we have to find out the next number. We are calculating how to find out this number easily. First you consider the first last two digits or 3 digits. That we can calculate easily. Okay. Then what is 4267? 67. What is the next number? 67. What is the next number? Next number is 68. 67. Next number is 68. 68. I will write 68 here. 67. Next number is 68. So we can write 4267 after 4268. Understood. Next what is 7000. 7000. Then just before. Then which numbers comes just before 7000? Which numbers come? Okay, how to write 6999. 6999. Okay. Then what is two numbers are given? 8739, 8741. We already discussed. We checked the last 2 digits or 3 digits. This is considering the last 2 digits. 39. What is the next number? 39. What is the next number? Is 40. So we can write 8740. Next is 8741. Okay. Then again. Then what is? This is 2118. 2118. Just before. 18 before what? Just before 70. So we can write 2170. Understood? Okay, again. Then 5500 after. Next number. Which numbers comes after 5500? 5500. We are considering the last 3 digits. 500, what is the next number? 501. So we can write 5501. Okay, next, 6th question. 2099. What is 99 next number? This is between. We are write 2099 and 2101. What is between? So 2000. So we can write 2199. What is the next number? 100. So we can write 2100. Okay, this is what we have studied, the before and after, before, after and between. Okay children. Now next we have to discuss the forming 4-digit numbers. Forming 4-digit numbers. Forming 4-digit number. We already discussed 4, 6, 7, 2. These are the 4 digit. Form forming 4-digit numbers. Forming 4-digit numbers is very simple. Using these digits we are forming 4-digit number, but one condition, without not repeat this, don't repeat this the same number. Then don't repeat the same number. Okay, only you can write only one times. One digits writes only one times. Understood? Don't repeat the same numbers. One digit you can write only one times. Okay. The forming 4-digit. Anyway, we can forming the 4-digit numbers using these digits only. Okay, how to forming? First of all, we are forming what? Directly we can write 4672. Okay, then we can write like this. 2764. We got 2 number. Next step. Again we can write 6724. 7246. 2467. Then 7264. Then 6472. Then again 4267. 4762. 7624. Anyway, we can write the so many 4-digit number using these digits. Understand how to forming the 4-digit number. But you remember always one thing, one condition, don't repeat the same number, and you should write the 1 digits only one times. Can make so many 4-digit number. And once again, I will write one more question. 6274. 7462. Then okay, so many we can make in the so many numbers. Okay, if you all of you understood that before, after and between, and how to forming the 4-digit number. Now we are discussing the find out the smallest number and the largest number. Some group of numbers are giving here. Then circle the largest number and square the smallest number. First of all, you have find out the largest number and circle it. Next, we have find out the smallest number and square it. We already know that how to find out the smallest number and largest number. So first of all, we are reading the 4-digit numbers. Then 2467, 4672, 8082, 5000. First of all, we are checking the first digits. To find out, we are checking the first digit. 2000, 4000, 8000, 5000. Which is the largest one? Which is the largest one? We already know that the 8882 is the largest one. Then square, what is? Again 2467, 4672, 5000. 245, which is the smallest number? Again 2467 is the smallest number. So we square the smallest number. Okay, now checking the second number. 7022, 2027, 1078, 3000. Again checking the thousands place are different. So we can find out easily. Okay, we find out. Then 7. Okay, the 7022 is the largest one. Then comparing 213, which is the smallest one. Then 1078 is the smallest number. Understood? Again 6100, 9088, 5062, 3302. So this is also the thousands place are different. The thousands place are same. We can calculate what? Then we are checking the 100 place. Checking the hundreds place. Okay. Then what is? So already know that the 9088 is the largest one. Then again comparing the first digit 6000, 5000, 3000. Which is the smallest one? 3302 is the smallest one. Again 8999, 7002, 2555, 3465. This is also all the thousands place are different, so we can find out easily. Which is the largest one? Then 8999 is the largest one. 2555 is the smallest one. Then one more question is here. Arrange the numbers squares from largest to the smallest. Which are the, we are making the squares in the smallest number. So we can arrange the squares numbers in largest to the smallest. We want to write, can you write the largest to the smallest numbers in the squares? Okay, first of all you are checking the squares. How many numbers are? 4 numbers. You read this: 2467, 1078, 3302, 2555. Then we are checking again the first place: 2000, 1000, 3000, 2000. Which is the largest one? You know that 3302 is the largest one. Then what is the next number? 2000 is here. You comparing these two numbers, which is the largest? 2467, 2555. Which is the largest one? 400 or 500? Because the thousands place are same. So we can check the 100 place. Here is 400, here is 500. Which is the biggest one? 2555 is the next number. Again we are writing 2467. Last we are writing 1078. Understood all? First of all, you are finding the largest numbers and the smallest numbers. Then we are arrange these numbers from largest to the smallest. Okay children, now we have finished our first chapter. Then if you have any doubt of the first chapter, you can ask me our class time. Okay, next class we will continue our second chapter. Next class we will start. We will start our second chapter. Okay, then see you next week.